In this video, we're gonna learn how to do the album trend on TikTok. Now there are a few ways that you can do this album trend, but the easiest way is to use its template. So what you do is just open up your TikTok and tap on the search bar on the top right and search for album cover. Once you do that, you can pick up any video and open it up, and on the top you'll have an option of CapCut. So before you use this template, you need to download the application of CapCut. You can easily find it on the Play Store and the App Store, and once you do, you just tap on CapCut, try this template, and again tap on use template in CapCut. Now it's going to open up this template on your CapCut application. Again tap on use template and then just select the videos. And then tap on preview. Once you do, it's gonna load up and you can just play the album cover that will be made for you. And there you go. You can now tap on export on the top right and export this video to your gallery. And once the export is complete, you can just post it on TikTok. So that's how easily you do the album cover trend on TikTok. I hope this video helped. If it did, leave this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. That's gonna be all for today, and I'll be back with more.